mayor. He is a man of the people, chosen by the people. His journey from garbage boy to matinee idol, from councilor to one of Manila's most beloved mayors, didn't happen through magic. As is typical of visionaries like him, the success he has been reaping now resulted from sheer hard work, determination, charisma, and a genuine desire to serve others. From lighting up Jones Bridge to restoring peace and order in Manila, we only have this man to thank. Mayor, I'm about to introduce you, but I want to just share a story. So I was once hosting this event in a certain hotel, and they were telling me that he never goes to sleep. He would just be inside their cafe nearly all hours of the morning, meeting with different people. And whenever he would nap, he is a professional sleep napper by sitting down. He just sits down and naps for a little bit, and he continues with his day. And apparently he does this every single day. The dedication. I must learn this skill. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our People's Choice awardee, the one, the only Yorme, Manila Mayor Isko Moreno.
Mayor Isko Moreno has also been chosen to receive the Volvo Iron Mark Award, which is given to an individual who has shown strength amidst challenges and has emerged victorious over trials and will continue to be the benchmark of advancement and innovation.
Sa ako, kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila, ang importante sa akin, kayo, tao, mamamayan. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit ako pumasok sa pamahalaan.
We need a person who can actually deliver, who has good ideas. Para sa akin kasi he's a visionary eh. Alam mo yun, parang proactive siya, nakikita niya yung mga susunod na steps, at lagi nila sinasabi, si Isko nagmamadali, dapat lang. Hindi pwedeng mas mabagal tayo kaysa sa problema. We need someone who can act fast. A man of action, and who can do it the fastest time. That's Isko.
Sandali lang po, mayroon akong kwento na may kwenta. Bago ako naging mayor, ang dinatnan kong Maynila ay dugyot, pagulo at lugmok. Kaya binilisan natin ng kilos at walang sinayang na oras. Sa nagdaang 2 taon, yung mga parang imposible, naging posible. Lumago ang negosyo, nagkatrabaho ang tao. Anumbalik ang tiwala sa gobyerno, ibinalik natin ang dignidad sa tao. Pumanatag ang pamumuhay sa Maynila, krimen bumaba, droga unti-unting nawala. Ngunit, hinamon tayo muli ng tadhana. Dumating ang pandemya, mabilis na aksyon na naging tugon. Ospital, gamot at pasilidad ay maagap na naihanda. Tuloy-tuloy na bakuna, lahat niyayakap. Inuna ang sikmura, kahon-kahon na ayuda para ang gutom ay mapawi. Pero hindi tayo tumigil, hindi tayo sumuko. Tunay na solusyon, mabilis na aksyon. Nagawa para sa Manileño, kayang gawin para sa bawat Pilipino. Sa tulong nyo, may awa ang Diyos. Ito ang gagawin ko. Habang hindi pa tayo nakakabawi at hilahod pa sa pandemya, tuloy-tuloy na ayuda sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Ani ng mga magsasaka, bibili ng gobyerno sa tamang halaga. Bawas na buwi sa krudo at kuryente ay dagdag na kita sa bawat pamilya. Naumpisa ang build, itutuloy natin. Pero tayo naman, build more hospitals, better schools, more housing, and create more jobs. Sa seguridad ng ating bansa, we will be fearless. Sa pakikitungo sa ibang bansa, we will be fair. but always, always, always faithful to the Filipino people. Tapat sa bayan, tapat sa iyo. Marami.
Mayor Gia Delta at Governor Isko Moreno Damagoso. Muli mo, palapakan po namin Yorme Isko Moreno Damagoso at Vice Mayor G. Atienza.
Ako masama, ako mali, lahat ng ginawa ko mali, pangit.
Hindi ka dami niyo, kasama ko kayo gumawa nun. Ang ginawa niyo.
Kung nireklamo niyo lang sa tao, nagpapayag ka ng utang, o lumayas ka dyan.
Well, hindi mo naman siya masisisi, pero mas nasaktan siguro yung taong bayan because of the expectations on a premise, whatever we have done together as a team, as a group, they will continue. Siyempre siguro na frustrate ang taong bayan o anong tawag yan? In a way, I don't want to use words as much as possible. Kasi mahal ko nga yung mga yan eh. But then again, alam mo yung pagkakaibigan, pamilya, maliit na bagay yan pag ang pinag-uusapan na kapakanan ng taong bayan. We owe it to the people. I don't owe anybody about things. No? Kung ang pag-uusapan, paano pagmamalasakitan ng tao. I owe it to the people.